Welcome to SEO for Beginners, your comprehensive guide. Hello, dear student, and welcome to our Master Guide to SEO for Complete Beginners, an essential overview of the most important information you need to know about SEO. In this video, you'll learn what SEO is and why it's important, as well as the different aspects you'll need to cover to improve your SEO approach, so you can get more traffic and score highly in Google search. All you need to do is be willing to learn and put in practice the knowledge and strategies we share. You don't need any prior experience with SEO, as this guide has been designed to take you through all the most crucial points you need to know, with no previous experience needed. With newfound SEO knowledge you'll learn from this video, you'll be able to start improving many aspects of your SEO strategy. You'll understand how search engines rank your website and what things you need to tweak to give your site the best chance in search. You'll understand important ranking factors like page loading speed and how to check it, and the crucial importance of getting backlinks. You'll also discover why sending the right user signals is important if you want your pages to rank for keywords in Google search. You'll learn how to choose the best keywords for your topic and how to create high-performing content that does well in search, as well as so much more. Basically, you'll learn all the most important things you need to know as a complete novice. Even if you're not a total beginner with SEO, we guarantee you'll find this video helpful, as we always bring you the latest, unique strategies created to help you win in today's digital environment. We know you can achieve great things with the knowledge we will share with you in this video, and we know you can see amazing results if you're prepared to put in just a little time and effort. Ready to get started? Let's jump in and begin by looking at what SEO is. SEO in a nutshell. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of attracting specific types of traffic to a website or page from a search engine's result page. SEO includes content creation and optimization, obtaining backlinks, optimizing for voice search and keywords. It also includes more technical aspects such as improving your page speed, image load, and site architecture, so search engines can more easily crawl your site. The three most important things you should aim to do if you want to improve your search engine ranking should be: 1. Make sure your site is easy to access and crawl. 2. Have high-quality content that includes relevant keywords. 3. Get as many backlinks from high-authority sites as you can. In this video, you'll learn how to achieve these three things, and you'll also learn all the essential information you need to know to have a good grounding in SEO. Remember, the aim of SEO is to boost a website's position in organic search. Organic search differs from paid search results, as with organic search you cannot spend money to rank well. Paid results typically appear first at the top of Google, but the downside is people can see they're paid for ads, as the word ad will appear in front of the link to the website. Organic results are far more trusted, and one of the best things about scoring highly in organic search is it doesn't have to cost you anything. Inside the search engines. You might be wondering how search engines decide what websites to show to searchers when they display their list of results. When someone enters a search term into a search engine like Google, the search engine will use an algorithm to analyze, find, and then display what it considers is the most relevant set of results. To do this, the search engine scans its index of millions and millions of websites to compare them so it can bring back the best answer. It does this instantly, displaying the top 10 or so in list format to searchers. If searchers don't like the first 10 results, they can click through to the second page or even the third. Most people never do this, however, so it's important to get on the first page of search engine listings, and preferably into the first 1 to 3 positions. So how do search engines decide what web pages are the most relevant result for searchers? Every search engine uses a different algorithm, so the answer varies. But now let's focus on Google, since it's by far the most popular. Google doesn't make all the factors it uses to decide search positions clear, but there are some factors that are widely known to influence Google ranking. Relevancy. When people search, they're usually seeking information on a specific topic, so Google looks for pages that appear to host the most relevant content for that search term. If you were looking for healthy food, for example, you'd be disappointed if a search engine gave you a list of results on garages. Google crawls websites to spot pages that seem to be a close match for the keyword a searcher has used. The thing is, there are thousands, if not millions, of pages that might be relevant for most of the keywords people search for, and Google can't show them all. If you were to search the term banana smoothie, for example, you'd get 56 million results. To sort out what results to show on the first page, then the second page, and so on, Google's algorithm looks at two other factors: authority and usefulness. Authority. Google decides whether the content it crawls is trustworthy and relevant to what searchers are looking for. To assign an authority ranking, Google weighs up how many backlinks from trusted sites a web page has managed to obtain. The more trusted backlinks from relevant sites, the higher any web page will rank in Google's authority rankings. Keep watching, as later in this video we'll be teaching you how to get more high-quality backlinks. Usefulness. Even if Google gives your content a high authority and relevance value, it will still need to look at its usefulness before it ranks in its search. If Google doesn't think your content is useful, it won't score you highly. Google has even stated that it assesses content for both quality and usefulness. So, what would be an example of content that Google might view as useful? A web page with content that is well organized, that uses clear language and makes use of subheaders to break up large text chunks. It would get a high usefulness score from Google. Even if that page didn't have many quality backlinks, it would still do well in Google search results. The reason this sort of page receives a ranking boost is because Google measures how useful a page is based on how users interact with it. This is known as user experience signals. A page that is well organized, well structured, and clear makes it more likely that when users click through, they'll have a positive experience and stay for longer. In this video, we'll be teaching you some of the most important user experience signals Google looks for and how you can optimize your content and website to score higher in this area. Remember, spend time creating well-structured, quality content that people enjoy interacting with, so you boost your user experience signal rating. When Google crawls its index of sites, it measures user experience signals to try to discover the websites people love. It then prioritizes the sites that offer the best user experience in its rankings, making user experience signals an extremely important factor to focus on. What does SEO do for your website? If you have a website, applying SEO techniques will help your site score highly in search results. You'll need to use a strategy designed to help you rank well on the search engine you want to score highly in, as each one has different requirements. In this video, we'll be mostly focusing on Google, though many of the things we mention here may well apply to other search engines like Bing. Your aim with any SEO strategy is to get a search engine to notice your site and judge it as the best possible result whenever a person searches for a topic in your niche. To get on the first page of Google, your website needs to score highly on many ranking factors within Google's algorithm. There are currently more than 200 Google ranking factors, including relevancy, loading speed, keywords, authority, usefulness, account authority, and more. Organic and paid search results. Google has two different categories of search results that it displays: paid and organic. There's a big difference in the way these two types of results are ranked. With organic search results, there are many more ranking factors that you'll need to consider if you want to perform well in search. When it comes to paid results, advertisers are ranked according to the amount they'll pay a single visitor sent to them through Google's pay-per-click ads network. The more they're willing to pay, the higher they will rank. It's as simple as that. Organic search doesn't work the same way. You can't pay your way to the top. Instead, you need to optimize your site, pages, and content so you score highly in Google's ranking algorithm. The good news is, when people search for information on a topic, most people trust organic search results far more than they trust paid results. In this video, we'll be focusing solely on organic results and giving you tips and advice you can use to perform well in organic Google search. Why do you need SEO? Search engines will be one of the main sources of traffic to your website, and Google is the biggest and most popular search engine by far. Google searches create over half of all the traffic on the entire internet, so you can see why it makes sense to optimize your site for Google's algorithm. When it is applied correctly, SEO can help your website rank for hundreds of related keywords in your niche, generating thousands of visitors on each of those phrases every month. People using paid results would pay a premium for this amount of traffic, but by applying some smart SEO principles, you can get it all for free. Let's look at some of the things you can do to score highly with Google so you can start getting a consistent stream of traffic to your website.